come back for us. Any second now, you'll see. I know he will. Coming back! We're never getting out of here! Shh!
Mission
No idea what's coming. My bare hands!
Bare hands?
Get some, cheese chewers!
I'm home.
No! Who's on the run now, runts?
I'd rather have mice!
Not until the objective is reached, ma'am. I don't want to go back to base. I want to finish the mission, sir. You online, are you?
Mike.
Maybe we should start our own business. Jerry and...
The other side of that door is... Got it? It made me feel pretty. See, thought you went home.
Mistaken identity. Maybe I didn't see you. So, we did... Whoa! Hey now. Just relax. Yeah.
Those McCracken sisters aren't going to be riding off with the... Thomas! Focus, Thomas. Knew that elf skinned Belinda McCracken's face when the Witchmaster called. Did we miss one hair plucked from the head of a black cat? Tommy's of plucking it or it won't work. Got it? And no, have I made myself clear?